What's happening in the world of tech and beyond? The news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and you need to stay ahead of the curve. Welcome back to ChatGPT Insights, where we break down the stories that matter most, shaping our digital future and beyond. Get ready for a rapid-fire update packed with essential information you won't want to miss. We're diving deep into innovations that are changing how we interact with technology, exploring new features that prioritize your privacy, and uncovering market shifts that could redefine industries. Plus, we've got some unexpected insights into what makes certain individuals stand out. From groundbreaking advancements to intriguing lifestyle trends, we're covering it all with the energy and clarity you expect. Don't blink, because you're about to get the ultimate download. Stick around, because this is the news you need to know right now. First up, Google is making waves with a significant expansion of its Gemini app's privacy-focused temporary chat feature. This isn't just a small tweak. It's a major move towards giving users more control over their digital conversations, making them disappear after a set time, and ensuring they aren't used for AI training. We're talking about a whole new level of privacy for your AI interactions, now accessible across more devices than ever before. You'll want to hear how this works and what it means for your daily digital life. But that's not all. Shifting gears completely, we're diving into the fascinating world of astrology and personality. Believe it or not, certain zodiac signs are being highlighted for having the most captivating smiles. Yes, you heard that right. We'll explore which signs are making the biggest impression with their radiant grins and what this surprising connection might reveal about personality and charm. It's a fun, fresh take on what makes people shine. And in the financial tech arena, the crypto world is buzzing with Gemini, the cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, making major moves towards a public offering. We're talking about a massive IPO targeting billions in valuation. Get the inside scoop on their plans, the figures involved, and what this means for the future of crypto on Wall Street. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Google boosts Gemini privacy with expanded temporary chat. Google is significantly enhancing user privacy within its Gemini app by rolling out its innovative temporary chat feature to a wider array of devices. Initially introduced in early August, this privacy-centric conversation mode is now accessible across various device types, offering users a more controlled and discreet way to interact with the AI. The core of temporary chat is its commitment to user privacy, allowing conversations to be conducted without being saved, thereby disappearing after a designated period. This move directly addresses growing concerns about data retention and the use of personal conversations for AI model training. Google explicitly states that chats initiated in this mode will not be logged in the user's latest chat history or their overall Gemini app activities. Furthermore, these conversations will not be utilized to train the AI model, providing a clear separation from standard interactions. To facilitate this privacy-focused experience, Gemini will retain user data for a maximum of 72 hours, solely to ensure the provision of relevant and secure responses. However, this enhanced privacy comes with certain limitations. Users opting for temporary chat will find that Gemini extensions and connected services requiring Gemini application activity settings are unavailable. Additionally, features such as providing feedback on responses or saving information for future personalization are also disabled, ensuring a distinct and temporary interaction environment. The feature is now available for private users on the Gemini app across Android, iOS, and web platforms. It's important to note that users with work or school accounts are currently unable to access this new privacy feature. This expansion marks a substantial step for Google in empowering users with greater control over their AI interactions and data privacy in an increasingly connected world. The broader availability signals Google's intent to make privacy a more integrated aspect of its AI offerings, potentially setting a new standard for conversational AI applications. Will this privacy-first approach become the new norm? Stay tuned as we explore more groundbreaking tech news. Astrology's secret: these zodiac signs boast the best smiles. In a surprising twist that blends celestial influence with personal charisma, a recent exploration into astrology has identified specific zodiac signs as possessing the most captivating smiles. This intriguing insight suggests that the alignment of stars at birth might play a role in our most defining physical traits, including the power of a radiant smile. The signs that consistently rank high in this unique assessment are Cancer, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius, and Gemini. These individuals are often characterized by a natural warmth and an innate ability to light up a room, with their smiles being a primary tool of their charm offensive. For Cancers, known for their nurturing and empathetic nature, their smiles often convey a deep sense of kindness and emotional connection, making them incredibly approachable and reassuring. Leos, the natural leaders and performers of the Zodiac, tend to have broad, confident smiles that exude charisma and a magnetic personality, drawing people towards them with an infectious positivity. Libras, who value harmony and beauty, often possess elegant and graceful smiles that reflect their balanced and diplomatic nature, exuding a sophisticated charm. Sagittarians, with their adventurous and optimistic outlook on life, typically flash open, honest smiles that convey a sense of joy and a carefree spirit, making them instantly likable. And for Geminis, the adaptable and communicative twins of the Zodiac, their smiles can be playful and witty, often reflecting their sharp intellect and engaging conversational style. This astrological alignment, particularly the influence of Venus, the planet of beauty and pleasure, and the Sun, the source of vitality and radiance, is thought to contribute to the expressive and appealing nature of their smiles. While the scientific basis for such claims remains a subject of debate, the cultural fascination with astrological traits continues to grow, with many people finding personal resonance in these archetypal descriptions. The findings add a unique layer to understanding personal appeal, suggesting that sometimes the best accessories are simply a genuine smile and a touch of cosmic luck. It's a delightful reminder that what makes us unique can be found in many facets of life, from our personality to, perhaps, our birth chart. From cosmic charm to market disruption, what's next in tech innovation? Gemini aims for $2.22 billion IPO. Winklevoss twins eye Wall Street. The cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, co-founded by the renowned Winklevoss twins, is gearing up for a significant public market debut, targeting an ambitious valuation of $2.22 billion with its initial public offering, IPO. This strategic move signals a bold push into the traditional financial landscape, aiming to capitalize on the growing investor appetite for digital asset-related companies. Gemini's IPO plan is set to offer 16.67 million shares of Class A common stock, with the offering priced between $17 and $19 per share. If priced at the upper end of this range, the exchange anticipates raising approximately $317 million. This substantial capital injection is intended to fuel further growth, enhance its platform offerings, and solidify its position in the increasingly competitive crypto market. Gemini has filed to list its Class A shares on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker symbol GEMI, a move that will place it among other major tech and finance players. Should the IPO be successful, Gemini would join an exclusive group of publicly traded cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States, following the footsteps of Bullish, which had a strong market debut earlier this year, and Coinbase, the industry's largest publicly listed entity. Analysts suggest that the timing is opportune, with recent successful IPOs of crypto-adjacent firms like Circle and Bullish, coupled with a generally favorable market for digital assets, creating a fertile ground for Gemini's public offering. The company's filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, reveals that for the 6 months ending June 30, Gemini reported a net loss of $282.5 million against a total revenue of $68.6 million. Despite the current loss, Gemini's diverse business model, which includes a cryptocurrency exchange, a USD-backed stablecoin, crypto staking and custody services, and a crypto rewards credit card, positions it for future profitability. The exchange has secured major banking institutions, including Goldman Sachs & Co. LLC and Citigroup, as lead bookrunners, with Morgan Stanley and Cantor also serving as co-lead bookrunners, underscoring the significant backing and confidence from traditional finance. This IPO represents a critical juncture for Gemini, as it seeks to navigate the complexities of public markets and demonstrate the long-term viability and value of its cryptocurrency business to a broader investor base. The Winklevoss twins' vision for Gemini has always been ambitious, aiming to build a trusted and regulated platform in the often volatile crypto space. From crypto giants to user privacy, we've got more essential tech updates coming your way. Crypto exchange Gemini details U.S. IPO. Eyes $317 million raise with 2.2 B valuation. Gemini, the prominent cryptocurrency exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, has officially unveiled the specifics of its U.S. initial public offering, IPO, aiming to raise up to $317 million by offering 16.67 million shares at a price range of $17 to $19 each. This IPO, which values the company at a substantial $2.2 billion, marks a significant milestone for the digital asset industry as it seeks greater integration with traditional financial markets. The company has submitted its registration statement with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, outlining its intention to list its Class A common stock on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker symbol GEMI. This move positions Gemini to become the third major crypto exchange to go public in the U.S., following the successful IPOs of Bullish and Coinbase. Industry analysts view this as a strategic moment, citing the positive performance of recent crypto-related public offerings and a generally robust market for digital assets as key indicators of potential success. Bo Pei, an analyst at U.S. Tiger Securities, noted that after Circle and Bullish's successful IPOs, alongside a strong overall market and higher crypto prices, it does feel like an opportune time for crypto-related companies to consider going public. Gemini's filing reveals a mixed financial picture for the first half of the year, with a net loss of $282.5 million reported on $68.6 million in total revenue for the 6 months ending June 30. Despite this, the exchange offers a comprehensive suite of services, including a cryptocurrency exchange, a stablecoin backed by the U.S. dollar, crypto staking and custody solutions, and a credit card that rewards users with crypto. This diversified approach aims to capture a significant share of the digital asset market. The IPO process is being supported by leading financial institutions, with Goldman Sachs & Co. LLC and Citigroup acting as lead bookrunners, alongside Morgan Stanley and Cantor as co-lead bookrunners. This strong institutional backing is crucial for navigating the complexities of a public offering. Notably, Gemini has had a contentious relationship with traditional banks, with co-founder Tyler Winklevoss publicly criticizing J.P. Morgan for allegedly blocking the exchange's onboarding process. This IPO represents Gemini's ambition to establish itself as a major player in the public markets, showcasing the growth and potential of the cryptocurrency sector to a wider audience. The success of this offering could pave the way for further mainstream adoption and investment in digital assets. Don't go anywhere. We'll recap the biggest stories right after this. And that's a wrap on today's essential updates. We saw Google expanding Gemini's privacy-focused temporary chat to more devices, potentially changing how you interact with AI. Then, we explored the surprising astrological link between certain zodiac signs and having the best smiles, adding a touch of cosmic flair to personal charm. Finally, we dove into Gemini's massive IPO plans as the crypto exchange gears up to hit Wall Street, aiming for a multi-billion-dollar valuation. That's all for today's rapid-fire news. If you found this update valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more essential tech and trend breakdowns, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Also, share your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on our social channels for even more content. We'll see you in the next one.